a lot of times with PLM, it's just this big monster problem you're trying to solve. And so, it usually starts with the design side and, the drawings and interfacing with CAD and all that stuff. So, but it allows it to really get down to the data problem and look at the business a little bit differently when you take it apart like that.
Well, and Julian, that makes a lot of sense, right? And you're starting to think about the deconstruction component of the overall issue. It also, when you think about it, when you think about PLM from the beginning, it is this big kind of amorphous kind of concept, and everybody has an idea of it. What do you think? And this and that, and then you have opinions. When you pick it up and you start to break it apart into its capabilities as opposed to the overall suite, you then have the ability to start to tackle some of those needs, some of those requirements, without having to think about the overwhelming component of all at once. It no longer becomes an all or nothing conversation. It becomes what can we start to do to solve pains today, knowing that you put a couple of these pieces in place, and as time goes on, you can start to add and move around without being overwhelmed with it. So let's solve today's issue, knowing that today's issue leads you to solutions or benefits you in solutions in the future.